Page number 13. Question number A3. Write down in your own words the way Laurie confirmed the names of the March sisters. What is the answer to this question? No one ready with the answer? Is no one ready with the answer to this question? Shall I stop giving homework then? Yes, Shamika, please answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Laurie described the rosy girl as Beth, who stayed at home most of the time and sometimes went out with a little basket. He recognized the pretty girl as Meg, while the curly-haired one as Amy. In this way, Laurie confirmed the names of Mark's sisters.
Very good, Shamika. Now, there was also this question to give a brief account of the interaction between Grandpa and Joe. What is the answer to this question? Is anyone ready with the answer? No one? Then should we stop the system of homework?
Actually,
Yes,
I thought the
Mohammed.
lecture will be on Thursday, so I was going to do later.
Okay. Okay, so that is a valid point. What can we write for this answer? Interaction between Grandpa and Joe.
Ma'am, Joe was looking at Grandpa's portrait.
Okay, when Grandpa walked in, Joe
Very,
was looking at his portrait.
yes, ma'am.
What else? Very good. What else we can write?
Thinking that it was Laurie who had come in, Joe started commenting on the portrait without turning to see whether it was Laurie who had come in. On hearing Joe's observation about the portrait, Laurie's grandpa observation about the portrait, Laurie's thanked her. Joe blushed on realizing that Laurie's grandfather had heard everything. At first, she wanted to run away, but knowing that she would be termed as coward if she ran away, so Joe decided to stay and face the situation. Grandpa asked her few questions and seemed to be pleased with her earnestness. Gauging the situation rightly, Joe boldly mentioned Laurie's plight to Grandpa and offered a solution. Grandpa too acknowledged the same. Further, Joe and Grandpa had heartily conversation about well-being of Marsh family. Finally, he urged Joe to visit their house more often. Overall, the interaction between Joe and Grandpa was a dramatic but pleasant one. Joe returned ecstatic
Ecstatic.
about how she had handled the tricky situation.
Very good, Sarthak. So this is a long answer wherein we are explaining the interaction between Grandpa and Joe. Now, the next homework you had was page number 14, question A6. Who is ready with the answer to this question? Question A6, we have already done part number 1 and 2. Now, I had given you for homework part number 3 and 4, which had to be done in the composition book. The first one is, meaning the third one in the textbook, are friends different from neighbors? Are you friends with your neighbors? Give examples and write. Who is ready with this answer? No one? Yes, Aryan?
Friends are not only our neighbors, but they are also the lifetime partners of us, which give us the ever-ending pleasure to us throughout the life. They are like the roses where we don't realize its beauty until it fades. Friends are those who are always ready to help in the difficult situation, like the neighbors. In the friendship, there are many problems, as also in the neighborship. Both of them are like the life of a glass, where there are many cracks which can be fixed if required.
Wow, very nice, Aryan. Very
Thank
well written. This is the kind of creativity that is required in at least the written composition section. Okay, the fourth question is, make a note in your exercise book about how people amused themselves, that means entertained themselves in earlier times without television, internet, or social media for entertainment. This is a very interesting writing section and very probable type of topics for the exam. So, who has written this? A paragraph on this? Shamika, you have already answered. If there is nobody else, then we can have you answering. Is there anybody else? Sarthak, you have also already answered. Anyone else? For the PTM, I will give these names, Shamika, Sarthak, Mohit, Aryan, that these children are answering and the others are not. Okay, Shamika, give the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The entertainment plays an important role in a person's life. Everyone uses television and radio nowadays, but before we get but before people keep amuse themselves by gathering together and performing different activities. In earlier times, people did not have the basic facilities like present nowadays for their entertainment. They used to come up with ways to create something interesting. People, especially children, lacked the gadgets of this century. They found themselves playing outdoor games like hide and seek, ice and
Maybe too
water.
much background, too much background.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sarthak, can you see the answer?
Yes, ma'am. TV, mobile phones, internet are invented in 19th and 20th century, which included modern toys also and different means of communication. Prior to these inventions, a simple job like sending messages across and traveling would keep people occupied the whole day. This saved them little time for busier. Today, one can simply switch on their TV, computers in the leisure time. But adventure of TV, before the advent of TV, the internet and social media, there were other ways in which people would amuse themselves. Book reading, listening to the music, outdoor and indoor games, street plays, storytelling are some activities by the old that were played in the old days, and they were used to help their parents also. Also, they were having many chats with their neighbors. And now the means of communication has been changed. Now the people doesn't talk with their neighbors. They used to only chat and used to have their communication.
Very good, Sarthak. Very impressive answer. Children, one thing I want you to take precaution against when you are having a class, you should ensure, because videos so you are anyway not keeping on. So at least audio, you should ensure that there is least amount of background, because when you are giving the answer and also when the teacher is explaining, if there is so much of noise in the room where you're sitting, you're not going to be able to follow, na? So you should try to ensure that. Now you are not second, third standard children that I need to talk to your parents. You at your level you can see कि मुझे कहाँ बैठना चाहिए जहाँ मुझे रेंज भी अच्छे से आ जाए, बैकग्राउंड में नॉइज भी ना हो, मैं अपना क्लास जो है ढंग से अटेंड कर सकूं. Okay, very good, Sarthak. Now, question number A7 was also for homework. Use your imagination and extend the story in about 100 to 150 words. So, matlab, the story has ended at a particular point, correct? Now, from there, you have to continue. Anyone who is ready with this answer?
Ma'am,
Okay, Aryan.
Joe goes back to Laurie's room to get her stuff, like the plates and the trays she used to bring for Laurie. She also knew that she needed to take the kittens back. When she comes back in Laurie's room, Laurie doesn't let her leave. She gets up to leave when he grabs. Uh, Laurie doesn't leave her. She gets up to leave when he grabs her hand and asks her to stay for a while longer because he feels lonely without her. Laurie smiles shyly and starts discussing about her encounter with his grandfather, and Laurie then explains his grandpa's nature to her. They both talk for hours until Meg is sent over by Joe's mom calling her back home for supper.
Very good, Aryan. Question number A8 was also for homework. If you are social, like to meet new people, can empathize and connect with people easily, make a list of careers available to you and write in brief about them. For example, human resource development or HRD. Who is ready with this answer? Jia, are you ready?
No, ma'am.
Not done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yash? What about
No,
Yash?
ma'am.
Your answer is ready, Yash?
No, ma'am.
Niranjan? Mansi?
Yes, ma'am.
Niranjan, your answer is ready, beta?
No, ma'am.
No. Mansi? Sharvari?
No, ma'am. Sorry.
Tanvi? Tithi? Shravani? Nobody? Mohit, are you ready with the answer?
No,
Shamika?
ma'am.
Aryan? So nobody has done this answer. Okay. Yes, Sarthak, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo beta.
Human resource development. As a human resource manager, we are expected to deal with a company personnel or people at large. Some of the aspects of this job are recruiting people from varied backgrounds, facilitating their training and development, and ensuring job satisfaction as well as harmony for people as the employees of the organization. Nurse. Nursing is a specialized profession that involves tending to sick and interacting with patients. They are near ones as healthcare professionals. For someone with good skill, nursing can be satisfying job. Teaching. Teaching in school or college is a job that requires dealing with students. Always look up to their teacher as they help the students to learn and grow. But this profession is not best suited for introverts or shy people. Done, ma'am.
But Sarthak, ये question जो था थोड़ा अलग था ना. You had to write about other professions also. So you have not done that.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
have written only about human resource development.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now the chapter we will start today is 2.1 Cherry Tree. Open your textbook.
Ma'am, we have done
We have done.
We have done Cherry Tree. Okay. Then what about 3.1 Expansion of
No, ma'am.
ideas? Page
No,
number
ma'am.
97. Okay. Open that.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that is there any reference book for English for question answers?
Yeah, various books are there. There is Target, there is All-in-One, uh, Navneet. These books are there.
And which do you suggest is best?
This is good. Navneet is good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now look at page number 97. There is an icebreaker there.
Ma'am, we have not completed the brainstorming part of 2.1.
Cherry tree.
Yes.
Yes.
We have just completed the first one even.
Okay, okay. So we have done till question A1, correct? Find
A1
the
one.
proof. Yeah, A1. Now we have to do question A1 part 2. Correct? So the first sentence is the cherry tree did not take long to grow. True or false?
False.
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 Birds and insects are benefited from the tree.
True.
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 The poet was exalted at the sight of the cherry tree.
True.
True.
True. The poem has an underlying message about the importance of trees.
True.
True.
True. कहाँ मैसेज है पोएम में इसके बारे में? वो कुछ बोलता है क्या ऐसा? The poet repents planting the cherry tree.
False.
False.
False. Now discuss in group reasons, consequences, or effects the life of the cherry tree was threatened. What can we write for this answer? What are the points that we can write? When he put the seed inside, सबसे पहले क्या हुआ?
He watered the plant.
He watered the plant. Then what was
He,
the threatening thing that happened?
he forgot to water the plant.
He forgets to
The
water the plant and so
the summer near the end of May, I found the tree had come to stay.
नहीं नहीं उससे पहले भी कुछ है ना?
God
उससे
saved
पहले
the
भी मेरा
leaves and the grass cutter's side, split it
उससे पहले
apart.
even before that
Lost in the tall grass.
नहीं नहीं about that the light and all ना. अच्छा ग्रास कटर के बाद आ रहा है वो.
फर्स्ट चलो May का ही है.
So we can mention that he forgot to water, and then we can mention that the grass cutter cut the plant into two, and then the season, the monsoon season, and then it grew on its own. What about the goats also? The goats ate the leaves. वो भी आएगा इस आंसर में. So we will take this answer for homework. Page number 68. Question number 821. मैं जब होमवर्क देती हूँ तो तुम लोग कहीं पर लिखते हो उसको? You should write it
Yes,
somewhere.
ma'am.
हाँ. The second
Textbook में
question
mark
is yes Mohit.
टेक्स्ट में ही मार्क करता हूँ सर.
हाँ टेक्स्ट बुक में मार्क कर दो. Then discuss in groups the cherry blossom. इसके लिए हम लोग क्या 2-3 points लिख सकते हैं? What are the reasons and consequences and effects of the cherry blossom? Okay. What else?
39.
90.
19.
Ma'am, 16.
अरे यार तुम लोग ऑर्डर में क्यों नहीं जाते हो?
90.
So before and 20 and 22 we should have 16. First tell me 1 to 10, do we have any alliteration? Line number 7. And suddenly that summer near the end of May. Okay. Line number 7. Then from 11 to 20, do we have any?
13
Line.
13,
and 16
14.
also.
14.
16, and 19 also. Okay. Now let us look from 20th also. Now let us look at 21 to 30. Twenty-one to 30, which line is the alliteration?
26.
26 से पहले एक है
22.
22 and 26 is not alliteration. Then now let us look from 31 to 41. Who said 34?
39 था.
34 तो नहीं है.
39.
38. 38.
38 why? Swiftly and stars. 38 and 39. Okay. Now all these were alliterations. What about antithesis?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you repeat alliterations from 31 to 41?
I'm repeating all alliteration 7, 13, 16, 19, 20, 22, 38, 39. 8 alliterations are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now antithesis. First tell me what is antithesis.
There are two opposite words in a
opposite
single
sides of
sentence.
coin.
Very good. Opposite, up and down, big and small, fat and thin. Okay. So now 1 to 10. Do I have any antithesis? Let me tell you, sometimes in a poem, we have to take 2 lines into consideration. Then we get the figure of speech. So it may not be in the same line. It may be in the next line, For example, line
Fifth and
number
sixth?
9, line number 9 and 10.
Small and tall.
Small and tall.
Yes.
Ma'am, fifth and
9 and
sixth?
10 is one. Which one, Niranjan?
Fifth and sixth? Forgotten knowing.
Yes. 5 and 6. Now let us look at 11 to 20.
Ma'am, shriveled and new. 13 and 14.
shriveled का opposite new तो नहीं है. Shriveled means to become, to shrink in size. So it's not the opposite of new.
Ma'am, grow. Shriveled and grow.
Shriveled and grow. Yes. 13 and 14. So now let us look at 21 to 30.
Ma'am, 15
21
and 16.
Ma'am, 23, 24.
उससे पहले कोई 16 के बारे में बोल रहा है.
15th and 16th.
Which are the opposite words?
Struggle and fierce.
Struggle and fierce. ले सकते हैं actually. Yes, why not? 15 and 16. And which one were you saying? 26?
Ma'am,
21, 23.
21 and 23 नहीं ले सकते.
हम 23 and 24.
23 and 24.
23 and 24. Poor and rich? Yes, 23 and 24. Anything else?
29 and 30.
Which are the words? Which are the two opposite words, Niranjan, in 29 and 30?
No, it's not. Sorry.
It's not. It's not. So now 31 to 40. $33 and $34. Looking and blind. That's it. Now we are moving on to personification. You know what is personification?
Yes, ma'am.
Human characteristic is
When
given to
a
an
non-living thing is given a human character or human.
Very good, very good. So pick out the lines now.
9.
उससे पहले भी एक है.
Eight, ma'am.
उससे पहले.
Ma'am, 6th.
Line number 8.
Number 5. The cherries have a way of growing. The cherries cannot have a way. They are inanimate. So that's why it is personification. So number 5 आ गया. Then which other number you were saying? What about 6? 7?
8 1.
8 1.
8. 9. 9th भी आएगा. नहीं, 9th metaphor आएगा. The tree is being compared to a 5-month-old child, but it is not been given any child quality. That is not personification. 9 is not personification.
Ma'am,
9
Ma'am, 10th one.
10th one. The grass is running wild.
10. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14.
I'm 15.
Yes. 15. 16 also.
16.
Yes. 17. 18, 19 एंड 20 को अगर हम कंबाइन करते हैं तो वो पर्सोनिफिकेशन हो जाता है, बिकॉज ही इज सेइंग टाइम एंड रेन मेड अ मिरेकल. So time and rain, both inanimate objects, have been given the human quality of being able to make something. So 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Ma'am, 27 will not come. Ripen and jeweled. Jeweled is a humanly
Not a
character.
human quality. Not a human quality. Personification के लिए human quality होनी चाहिए. I understand कि उसने कुछ special यहाँ पे दिया है कि jeweled in the sun, but it can be imagery, but it is not personification.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 33.
Ma'am, 31. Sleepiest breeze.
Looking up through the leaves at the blue. Why is it personification? 33.
Sorry, ma'am, 33, not 34.
34.
The
Ma'am,
sky has
31.
been called blind. 34. 35, 36, 37, 38,
Ma'am, 31 also.
31. Why?
Sleepiest
At the
breeze.
merest breath, the sleepiest breeze. So the breeze has been given the human quality of feeling sleepy. That way? Yes, 31 also.
Ma'am, 39.
Because you're saying because the crickets are singing, that's why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 39.
Ma'am, 38.
Which inanimate object is given which human quality?
Stars turned in the sky.
Stars are turning, that's why?
Yes.
But turning is a human quality or what? The planets are actually turning, na? They are rotating and revolving, na?
Yes, correct.
So not personification.
Ma'am, 37. Sun sank.
The sun sank. तो sun sink करता है ना? Sinking is not a human quality. Objects भी sink करते हैं.
30,
Which one? Sharvari?
36.
36. क्यों bees तो drink करती है ना? That's not a human quality.
Ecstasy.
Ecstasy, feeling of great happiness. So bees are given the human quality of feeling happy. हो सकता है शर्वरी. 36 also we will take. ठीक है, done. Abhi the point is कि if they give any line in the exam and they say explain the figure of speech, then you should know कि इसमें कौन सा figure of speech है और उसका explanation भी लिखने आना चाहिए. You know how to write the explanation of the figure of speech, or should I dictate one or two to you?
Ma'am, dictate. Ma'am.
Rinjo is saying dictate. What is the rest of the class saying?
Dictate.
Dictate.
ठीक है, तो मैं alliteration and personification का एक एक dictate कर देती हूँ, फिर तुमको idea आ जाएगा कि कैसे लिखना होता है. तो alliteration का which sentence we can pick up? So open your English notebook and write the topic figure of speech. Write number 1 alliteration. Spelling ठीक से लिखो, double L है.
Ma'am, in
On which
literature
notebook?
notebook.
English notebook, yes. Literature notebook. Have you made 3 notebooks or 2 notebooks?
3.
3.
3. Three
So
notebook.
then you can, so you have one book for grammar also. Who can repeat the entire paragraph for the class? Sharvari?
Ma'am, I actually got disconnected, so I haven't written the last line, I think.
Okay, okay. Who is ready?
Ma'am.
Yes, Niranjan.
The above line contains figure speech personification because the inanimate object tree has been given the human quality of being able to stay. The poet uses the poetic device to enhance the overall experience of the reader.
The poet uses this poetic device. Okay. Okay. Now you have written for alliteration explanation already. We have used line number 13. Uske baad for homework, you will use line number 19 and write the explanation also for homework in your grammar book. And for personification, you have already used line number 8 for the explanation that I have given. You will use line number 10 and write the explanation for homework. Are you clear what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Or is anyone having a doubt? Yes, Shamika?
Ma'am.
Bolo?
Ma'am, can you repeat homework for
गलती से हो गया.
alliteration
homework?
line number?
The homework is alliteration line number 19, 1 and 9, 19. And for personification, line number 10, 1 and 0, 10. This has to be done in the grammar book itself. जो मैंने लिखा है उसके नीचे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you have started the topic figure of speech. We have written number 1 alliteration, number 2 personification, number 3 कर दो antithesis. नंबर 4 नेक्स्ट पेज पे आ जाएगा, कर दो सिमिली. नंबर 5 कर दो मेटाफर.
Ma'am, what is fourth one?
Simile, SIMILE. Fifth is metaphor, METAPHOR. नंबर 6 को कर लो inversion, INVERSION, inversion. Number 7 climax, CLIMAX. Number 8 consonants, CONSONANCE. Number 9 repetition. Number 10 anticlimax. For anticlimax, line number,
Ma'am, anticlimax is 10th one, no?
line number, हाँ, 10th one is anticlimax. Poem में से line number 6 is anticlimax. So under anticlimax, you can write this line. Though no one's caring very much or knowing. इसका भी explanation लिख लो. दिशा वीडियो ऑन करो. किसका ऑडियो ऑन है? इतना नॉइज आ रहा है. आर्यन, have you finished writing the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the explanation. The above line contains the figure of speech anticlimax because the words open inverted commas caring close inverted commas and knowing close inverted commas have been arranged in the decreasing order of importance. And of course, you are going to add that line. The poet uses this poetic device to enhance the overall experience of the reader. Niranjan, repeat.
The above line contains figure of speech anticlimax because the words caring and knowing have been arranged in the decreasing order of their importance. The poet uses this poetic device to enhance the overall experience of the reader.
Very good, Niranjan. Okay, so we are done with the figure of speeches in this poem. Okay. Now we are moving on to page number 69. Cherry Tree is a narrative poem. Features that make it a narrative poem are given below. Justify them with proper examples. The poem has a beginning, a middle, and an end. What is the explanation you're going to give for this? This question is going to be for homework, so you can jot down the points because for homework you have to write it in the literature book. Yes, children, the poem has a beginning, a middle, and an end. What explanation will you write for this?
Ma'am, it begins with like planting of a cherry seed, and then in between it survives all the difficulties, and at the end it blossoms.
So you have to write beginning 2 lines, middle 2 lines, end 2 lines. In the beginning, the poem begins with the planting of the cherry seed, and then 8 years passes, and then the seed turns into a grass. Then in the middle, the poet talks about the growth of the seed into a full grown tree that is 6 feet high, my own dark cherry. And then in the end, the poem ends it on a happy note with the tree is in the full bloom and the poet is very happy about it. And then you have to give that line from the poem, that small, the cherry grown by me. This is the explanation for this question A. Moving on to question B, different places are mentioned. What is going to be the answer for this question? There are different places mentioned in the poem like Kashmir, at home, at my door. These are the 3 places. Question C, characters are referred to. The cherry tree, the poet himself, and the elements of nature. These are the 3 characters that have been mentioned. And under elements of nature, you can write animals, birds, insects.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The answer C.
Yes, ma'am.
The characters mentioned in the poem are the poet himself.
Yes.
Second, the cherry tree. Third,
Yes.
the elements of nature like the sun, the wind, the animals, the birds, the insects.
Okay.
Question D. The incidences are arranged in a sequence. Yes, Shamika.
What?
Question D.
Uh, yeah. Mm.
So you can narrate the lines from the poem. Since I placed my cherry seed in the grass, it was very small, 5 months child. The young tree struggled thrust upwards. Time and rain made a miracle from the green growing pain. 6 feet high, my own dark cherry. A berry ripened and jeweled in the sun. Next year there were blossoms small. That small, the cherry grown by me. The above lines from the poem prove that the incidents are arranged in a sequence as the poem is tracking the growth of the cherry tree. The poet is tracking the growth of the cherry tree. Okay? Now, can we move on to question number E?
What do we have to do in this question?
There is a dialogue between the poet and the reader of the characters of the poem. Okay, so we have to mention that dialogue. must have a tree of my own, I said. That is first example. Second, I could only wait as one. Third example, I went away next year. Fourth, spent a season in Kashmir. Fifth, and moon moths and singing crickets and I, yes, I. These are the lines that justify the fact that the poet is directly talking to the readers through his poem, thus framing dialogues. So वो जो dialogues आए ना poem में which are in inverted commas, that is the answer to this question. The lines with the inverted commas. Shall I proceed to the next question?